To another episode of Lunch with Lisa. I'm a little bit late today because Facebook and Zoom are not playing nice together today. So sorry about being late. So, welcome everybody. I am Lisa Warner. I'm the author of The Simplicity of Self Healing, and I'm a teacher of self healing. Today, let's talk about healing. And who has the power? Well, the answer is you. You have the power to heal yourself. Your body is designed to heal itself. When a bone breaks, when your skin gets cut, when you get a burn, when you sprain an ankle, the body does all the work for healing. You don't have to teach your body how to heal itself. When you pop out of the womb, if you got a little scrape as an infant, nobody has to teach your body how to heal that. So healing is built right into the design. But when we don't own our power, when we don't know that, when we don't trust our bodies to heal themselves, when we have fear about what's happening to our bodies, when we're afraid of what's going on in our bodies, when we don't like our bodies, when we judge our bodies cannot heal properly when we're not giving them the proper environment. So each and every one of us has the ability to heal, built right in. So why are we not healing? When we don't trust the body doesn't trust us. When we have, since childhood, we have been told that doctors are the experts, that there's some expert out there who has far more knowledge about your body than you do. And this is simply not true at all in any way, shape, or form. You are the expert on your body. You are the only one that has ever lived inside your body. Therefore, you are the only one that's the expert. So you have the power to heal your body. So why does the body get out of balance in the first place? Well, we've all heard the expression, your thoughts create your reality, or thoughts become things. Well, this is absolutely true. Thoughts become things, including diseases. And every single disease that shows up in our body has a specific thought pattern attached to it. Diseases don't just fall out of the sky. They're not passed down from generation to generation, but thought patterns are. Thought patterns are passed from person to person. And thought patterns that generate symptoms in our bodies can be shared and spread. So this isn't just some woo-woo, airy-fairy, philosophy. This is actual science. It's actually how it works. When I found myself facing cancer, I was terrified. I was afraid of what was going on in my body. I was angry at my body for getting all out of balance. I wasn't a healthy, fit athlete anymore. All of a sudden, I was overweight and out of shape and in pain. And I was worried that whatever was going on in my body was going to kill me. So my fear was huge, and I was afraid of cancer. So every day, my life was a living nightmare of having cancer. That reality, that thought pattern was playing out as my reality. So it wasn't a very pleasant experience, I got to tell you. But instead of going the medical route, the traditional route for trying to fix my body, I decided to go inside and reconnect to my own power, the power that I had, the power that my body already possessed to heal itself. I had to break through those thought patterns. I had to break through the fear of cancer. It was like this gigantic enemy that I couldn't see with my eyes, but I could see the effects on my body. So the fear of cancer was making me live that reality. Cancer was my reality for a long time, as I was fighting it and worrying about it and stressing over it and trying to figure out what to do to fix my body. Until finally one day the light bulb went off and said, wait a minute, you don't have to fix your body. Your body can fix itself. You have to fix you. And when you fix you, Lisa, then your body will fix itself. When you fix the fear, when you let go of the fear. And suddenly I realized that all that I really truly knew that was going on with my body was that my body was out of balance because I was out of balance. And suddenly I realized cancer is a third party and it doesn't belong. It doesn't belong to me and it doesn't belong to you either. No disease belongs to any of us. Disease is a third party notion. It's not true. It's not real. It's not what's actually happening to our bodies. The symptoms are what is real, okay? The disease is assumed, it's implied. And we have to get over the idea. Because why? Because our thoughts create our reality. When we believe that we're being attacked by a disease or that we have a disease, that plays out as our reality. So you know what? Your body is never the problem. And you have the power to change your thoughts. You're the only one who has the power to change your thoughts. You're the only one that has the power to let go of your fears, your doubts, your guilts, your worries, your shames, your blames. These are all the distorted thought patterns. All of these negative fear-based thought patterns are the things that generate all of the crap in our lives, including the dis-ease in our bodies. So you have the power. We have all been programmed out of our own power. We have been programmed to believe that the power for healing rests in the medical model. This is not true. It's not to say that the medical model can't help sometimes. It can, sometimes. But the majority of the time, it is not helpful because it is taking our power away from us. It is giving us the impression that the medical model is the authority over our bodies. And this is the essential illusion. We have to break through this. And in order to break through this, we have to take our own power back. When I found myself facing cancer and I was afraid of it every day and it was causing anxiety and stress and worry, I realized that all of that fear, my fear was feeding the cancer. The cancer was being generated from my own fear. Any disease in our bodies is coming from us. It's coming from our own energy. It's coming from our own beliefs, our own thought patterns. Those beliefs and thought patterns have been given to us, and it's up to us to start clearing them out. Because right now, more than ever, the ability to take your health into your own hands is literally It can literally mean the difference between life and death. You taking your power back is life. You have the ability to live in a body that is healthy and fit for as long as you choose. But if you give your power away to some disease, to some fear, to some worry, to some other authority figure, then you're giving your power away. And you can't use what you don't have. So if you've given your power to somebody else, you don't have access to that power. So it's of utmost importance that you take your power back, because you hold the power. You hold the key to your well-being. Nobody else holds the key to your well-being. And well-being does not come in a pill or in a shot or anywhere else from outside you. It comes from inside. And if you're ready to take your well-being back, if you're ready to take your power back, if you're ready to activate your power to heal yourself, I'm offering a 90-minute workshop coming up in 10 days on Saturday, August 21st, 2021. Ooh, powerful day, the 21st in 2021. It's numbers, just realized that. Anyway, the secrets of self-healing, unveiling the powers you didn't know you have. Come and learn the 5 keys to unleashing your inner superpowers for self-healing, and learn how to put these 5 keys into practice right away so that you can start taking your power back. Come and learn what you need to know, what you need to be able to see in order to start healing yourself. Right now is the time to take your power back. When you utilize your full power, you are unstoppable. Your body is unstoppable. Well-being is yours and yours alone. But you have to stand in your full power in order to experience your full well-being. So come and learn the secrets of self-healing, unveiling the powers that you didn't know you had. So I will pop the link in the Facebook, in the chat underneath in the comments on Facebook and in YouTube. So click the link and come learn 5 keys and start practicing them right away. So I hope this was helpful to you. And until next week, create for yourselves a great week. Bye for now.